Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll tell you guys TikTok phone number already used and how to solve this problem. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on because we post videos like this in our channel. So to get notified of this videos in future, be sure to subscribe with notification on. So let's start today's video. So this problem arises when you're trying to sign up in TikTok like this. I go on me, press on sign up, click on don't have an account, sign up at the bottom, then click on use phone or email, and after entering the date of birth and after entering your birth date, then this page opens up. And basically when you type your number over here and it shows you that your number is already used, which means that someone has previously signed in TikTok using your phone number. So the way you can get it is contact the person and tell them to release the phone number, or otherwise the other way is I don't think like you need a phone number to sign in TikTok. Besides here, there's email. You can always sign in using email as well. So the only way to solve this problem is to contact the person who used the phone number when they were signing in TikTok and tell them to change their number in TikTok, and you can access this number and can create another TikTok account. Otherwise, you can only create a TikTok account using email. So yeah, that's how you can solve this problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.